ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control. We're going to walk you through the installation of our newest Pro model in homes that have an air or geothermal heat pump with auxiliary heat. First, check that the old thermostat is working properly. Turn off the power to the HVAC system, remove the old thermostat cover, and then disconnect the wires. Start installing the thermostat wires into the corresponding terminals of the air handler. We'll go over the installation for a 2-stage heat pump with auxiliary heat next. All thermostat wires should correspond with the air handler's terminals. Ensure that the RH wire is inserted into the RC terminal of the air handler. Then, match the corresponding wires from the heat pump into the air handler terminals. Take note that the ecobee uses the C and RC terminals for power. The RH terminal is used only in dual fuel or dual transformer systems. Now we'll go over the 2-stage heat pump with auxiliary heat. Start installing the wires into the ecobee backplate. Your first stage compressor wire will go into Y1, second stage into Y2. Your fan will be installed into the G terminal, and your auxiliary heat will now be installed into the W1 terminal. Finally, the reversing valve wire will be installed into the OB terminal. Keep in mind that the other thermostat may have the OB terminal labeled as W. In this case, the wire labeled W will be the reversing valve wire and go into the OB terminal on the ecobee backplate. The W1 on the ecobee will now be your first stage of auxiliary heating. Once everything is wired, turn power back on to the HVAC system. Gently push the ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control onto the backplate. You'll see it start up right away. Now that you know how easy it is to install a new ecobee Smart Thermostat Pro with voice control with a heat pump system,